Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant Blue the Fox, and for this week's Taking My Craft we are making some awesome animal masks. In your craft kit this week you will receive a half sheet of cardstock and a popsicle stick. You'll need your coloring supplies of choice, tape or glue, and some scissors. So first we need to draw out our animal, any animal you'd like. Today I will be making a monkey. And for any animal you pick, I'm starting with kind of a kidney bean shape so that it'll be a good shape to go over your face when you're using it as a mask. And for my monkey, I'm adding a muzzle with a little smile, 2 ears, and his eyes. And I'm making his eyes slightly bigger so that my eyes can fit behind them later. And as always, please share your finished animal masks with us at Wauconda Area Library on Facebook or Instagram. Now that my monkey is all colored, I will go ahead and cut it out. So first I am cutting the outline. And speaking of masks, Blue the Fox is still hiding, so please come on into the library, sign up for summer reading, and see if you can find him. Next, I am doing a small fold over the eyes to make a tiny slit to then cut out the eye holes, and I'm repeating that process for both of our eyes. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up for summer reading. We are doing weekly prizes this year, and there's lots of fun stuff to win. Now that our mask is almost done, all we need to do is attach our popsicle stick. You can use glue, but I am just placing my popsicle stick between my 2 eyes and then taping it in place. I found that it was plenty secure with just 2 pieces of tape. And with that, our animal monkey mask is complete. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we will see you next week with a new Taking My Craft. Bye!